So, what the heck just happened? Today, the global cryptocurrency market cap slipped to $1.04 trillion from $3 trillion around 6 months ago. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, fell sharply, cracking around 12% at the time of this video. This morning, the world's first decentralized cryptocurrency was trading below 24K. In the last 24 hours, it has crashed by over 12%, and its market cap has gone below the 500 billion mark, and it hit an 18-month low. Bitcoin's market cap has been reduced to 452 trillion, 428 billion. Bitcoin's market cap was reduced to 452 billion, 428 million, $522,040. Bitcoin's dominance also decreased by 0.58% to 47.12%. At its peak in the first week of November of 2021, Bitcoin's value was hovering around 69K. Now, let's speed it up a little bit and let me show you its case in a table. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, was seen holding the 1,450 level until yesterday. But on Monday morning, the value of ETH decreased further to slip below $1,350, as it cracked more than 6.5% to hit a 15-month low. Its market cap has now breached below the 175 billion level. At its peak in November 2021, its price had gone as high as $4,800. Now, let's go to the interesting part. Why is this happening? To answer this, I will reference economist Peter Schiff, who explains why he expects Bitcoin to crash as recession deepens. Peter Schiff has made some dire predictions about cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin and Ether. He said that the need to sell Bitcoin to pay the bills will only get worse as recession deepens. He also said, Bitcoin looks poised to crash at 20K and Ethereum to 1K. Don't buy this dip. You'll lose a lot more money. Schiff further explained in several tweets on Sunday, with food and energy prices soaring, many Bitcoin hodlers will be forced to sell to cover the cost. Grocery stores and gas stations don't accept Bitcoin. When Bitcoin crashed during COVID, no one needed to sell. Consumer prices were much lower and hodlers got stimulus checks. The need to sell Bitcoin to pay the bills will only get worse as recession deepens and many hodlers lose their jobs, especially those ones working for soon-to-be bankrupt blockchain companies. He also said, if circumstances change, long-term buyers without paychecks will be forced to sell. So, the crypto price plunge indicates a falling risk appetite of investors. They are clearly worried about risky assets. With all its uncertainties and volatilities, crypto is considered as one of the most volatile instruments for investment purposes. The crypto market has been under pressure from the Federal Reserve because they are hiking the interest rates to combat inflation over the past few months. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most cryptocurrencies suffered losses over the weekend. And all this was caused after a broad sell-off following the data showing of US inflation hitting a 40-year high. Now, there's an extra factor to these altcoins. While altcoins have historically underperformed Bitcoin, this time they have an added pressure of potential. Now, there's an extra factor to these altcoins. While altcoins have historically underperformed Bitcoin, this time they have an added pressure of potential regulatory roadblocks. A report by CoinDesk quoted an expert as saying that only a small number of altcoins are likely to survive such market movements. Now, let's jump to the conclusion. The market is expected to remain choppy in the coming weeks, and countries around the globe continue to report high inflation numbers. The current dip in crypto prices allows investors to buy crypto at 2021 prices, and I expect that seasoned investors will take advantage of the dip. That's all for today, and see you on the next one.